In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Zoom. The word block can mean a few different things on Zoom, so I'll walk you through the most effective options depending on what's happening, whether you're in a meeting right now or managing contacts outside of meetings. First, if you're the host and someone is disruptive during a meeting, the quickest solution is to remove them. Open the Participants panel, hover over the person's name, click More, and choose Remove. If you prefer a simplified path, click the security icon on the meeting toolbar and select Remove Participant. By default, once someone is removed, they can't rejoin that same meeting unless you've enabled a setting that allows removed participants to re-enter. This is a strong, immediate action that keeps the meeting on track. If things are getting chaotic and you need to stop activity across the board, use Suspend Participant Activities. Click the security icon and choose Suspend Participant Activities. This temporarily disables video, audio, chat, screen sharing, and other interactions for participants. It's ideal when you need a quick reset to regain control and address the situation calmly. When you're ready, you can resume normal activities and continue. Now, if you want to prevent someone from joining in the first place, Zoom doesn't offer a permanent account-wide block by a person's email. However, you can set up barriers that work just like a pre-block in practice. Turn on the waiting room so you can manually admit attendees and deny entry to anyone you don't recognize. Once everyone you expect has joined, lock the meeting so no one new can enter. For an added layer of security, require authentication to join, which forces participants to sign in with a Zoom account or even a specific domain before they can get in. These options dramatically reduce unwanted attendance and give you control before problems start. Outside of meetings, if the person is in your Zoom contacts and you want to stop them from messaging you, open the Zoom desktop app and go to Contacts. Find the contact, click the More Actions menu, select Block Contact, and confirm. This prevents them from sending you messages or reaching out through Zoom chat. To recap, remove a participant for immediate relief, suspend activities to quickly halt disruptions, use the waiting room, lock the meeting, and authentication to prevent re-entry, and block contacts in the app to stop unwanted messages. With these tools, you'll be able to handle most blocking scenarios on Zoom confidently and quickly.